If you want to replace those factory mats in your Tesla because maybe you're getting rocks underneath or whatever, well, you're going to want to pay attention to this video because I may have found the best. Hello everyone, Garage King here, and you know what? I bought a new Tesla Model Y 2022, and I was all excited because I found new floor mats. I really wanted to replace the factory ones, so I did a ton of research online, went on different forums, and finally settled with the Abstract Ocean one. Now, just for the 3-piece set, it was $150, so that's not that bad of a price. I did find the MAXpider ones very, very similar. However, they costed, a little bit more. They were over $200. So I think these Abstract Ocean ones are really good. Plus, I bought the full set that covers the complete car, and that cost me $275, and there was a sale on that. So I was thinking to myself, that's a deal, and I will definitely go for that. So let's take a closer look at the mats. Now you can see the pattern on this mat. Now this one is for the frunk. Now the trunk in the back, and I guess the lower trunk, if you want to call it that, and that rear's, in the hatchback, I don't know, it's not really a trunk, I guess it's kind of like a hatchback. They all have the same pattern, but the front seats and the rear seats have a different pattern, and I'll show you that as we go into it. But the one thing I really liked about these mats is they are super lightweight. They are like a feather, so I mean, they're not like heavy rubber. And then on the back, there is this really nice sort of like velcro, so they should all stay in place and nothing should move around. So I find them extremely high quality. Now the other thing is I found them actually quite soft. They are multi-layer, so they're really durable, they're waterproof and all that, but they're just, they're really kind of durable. Now don't mind my socks, I still have my work socks on, and whatever, you can look at my legs, I guess. I do work out regularly, but anyway, I was really impressed with the quality of the mats. I had never bought mats like this before. Now, let's head over to the frunk and see what we see inside. Now, first things first. Now, I was actually surprised that I actually had these from Tesla and they didn't install them on the side rear doors. Let me know if when you bought your Tesla, if this actually happened to you. So I guess I'll have to do a video on how to install them because I'm not taking it back. So anyway, let's put the mat in and see how it looks. Now you really got to look at yourself in the mirror and, say, can I actually install these? And you know what, you can. They're very, very easy to install. So no worries there. It's just, they're floor mats. You just throw them in. So here's the passenger side mat. And as you all know what they look like, so I don't have to explain that. But you can see there's dirt. And you know what, my biggest thing is I don't want to get a whole bunch of dirt underneath the mat. So I just want to give it a quick clean. So we're going to roll back the seat. And now we can lift our Tesla mats up and we can see they got a little bit of this sort of like Velcro too that kind of just holds them in place. That's just how they stay in place. Okay, so don't ask me why I used a gas-powered motor as an effect for a Tesla, but anyway, that's just what I did. That's what I had on hand. So here is the mat. It is installed, and you can see the fit and finish is really, really good. I was very, very happy with the way it fit in. It dropped right in, so very pleased. So let's head over to the driver's side, pull the mat out. Let's give it just a really quick cleaning, and then we'll install the driver's mat and see if it fits the same way, because you never know with some of these sets. Here's how it fits. So we have that little bit there, but I don't think that's a big deal. I don't think there's anything you can do about that. And then it goes around here, quite a nice fit. Nice and tight there, all the way around. And we have a good fit all the way around and even in the corner. Very nice fit. So they do fit really nice. I like how these ones overlap the plastic a little bit, so this way nothing really can get under them. Okay, so let's keep this video moving. Time to move to the rear. So let's yank out the mat. We're gonna give it an ultra fast cleaning, and now we're just gonna quickly install it and see the fitness or fitment of the rear mat. And here you can see, here's the fitment of the rear mat. So fits nice and tight, looks good. Now, one thing I wanted to take specific note with this, take a look at this. We're just gonna crawl under here for a second. Here is the heating duct and cooling duct, I guess. And you can see if I pull back, I'm just gonna fold it back, there's a little lip right there. I should have vacuumed a little better, but anyway, I think it's just dust from the factory. But anyway, there's a little lip. There's actually, you can see a little lip. This thing fits perfectly right behind that lip. There you go. You can see I fit it right in that lip, just like that. So I'm very, very impressed with the fitness of these mats. They just fit great, and they're not heavy. They're not heavy, and they seem very, very durable. So anyway, this is the back seat. Okay, so let's head over to the trunk, and you know what? I don't know why I keep saying fitness. It is fitment, so I don't know. I'm not even gonna correct myself anymore. Fitness, I guess, means fitment for me today. Anyway, Tesla didn't provide, obviously, any mats in the back, and there's one that has to go down there. So I bought the full 7-piece set, so this is awesome. We are going to see how well everything is going to fit. Okay, so here we go, the lower trunk, and you know what? Just for your information, they are labeled, so you can't mix them up. So if you think you can put the front where the lower trunk is supposed to go, you can't. You can't mix them up. And there you go, you can see we have a really, really nice fit down there. So it really adds, you know, if I'm carrying whatever down there. So for the top, I'm going to have to remove my extra charging stuff, and maybe we can fit it down here. Maybe we can't, I don't know. Anyway, I don't think we can we guys? Oh, well, I don't really like it down there. So we'll just put it on the top at the end. So let's just remove this for now. So let's put the back one in right now. And you can see if I just drop it, it actually sticks pretty good. So it has some good stickness to it, if you want to call it that. So the Velcro or material on the back does prevent it from sliding around pretty good. And here's the final rear mat all installed. We'll start here. You can see it goes right to the edge just nicely. And then we follow it all the way up here, right in the corner of the seat. Right there, we have a little bit of play, but not much. But you can see it's tucked nice and tight there. There's the other side. And as we come around, nice fitting, definitely. Here's the edge right here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. There's the edge. Looking from behind, you can see there's the edge. Maybe I'm moving too fast for everyone here. And there you go. So it looks really nice. And you can pull it up if you want just a little bit, move it back and forth. But overall, this thing had a great fit, and it didn't really take a lot to adjust it correctly. So if you decide to visit Abstract Ocean, please use the code GarageKingYouTube and you will receive an extra discount. I don't promote anything on my channel that I wouldn't use myself, and I did buy all of these things with my own money. I didn't get anything for free. So just so you know, it was an impartial review. Now, if you're wondering what the pattern looks like super close up, this is what it looks like super close up. So anyway, that is it for the video. Hopefully you had a good one. Garage King over and out, and I hope to see you next week. Thanks, everyone.